how to recognize those beliefs and how can this program help them to make money, because I can promise anybody who does this program can easily double up their money in a year's time.
Okay, so
If
let's find
they
out.
give. Yes, yes.
Let's find out about that. Tell us why does money not work in our life? Apart from these beliefs, Gitanjali, what are the other things that are a block in our, uh, a block to monies in our life?
So the first answer to what is money is a form of energy.
Okay.
That's the answer. And so is just an energy.
Hmm.
Now, what energy do you associate with money is creating the blocks in your life.
Okay.
So, am I creating a life where money is there, but there is so much of stress that I fear actually money coming my way? Let's talk about myself. I was thinking, oh, yeah, I had everything and the money was there and I was doing fantastic.
Hmm.
Why I was doing fantastic is because 10 years before, 15 years before where I joined, when I started, I was doing much better.
Hmm.
And then I realized people are doing much more, and why? And
Hmm.
I started inculcating those habits in me. So I knew a lot, and I developed this money manifestation program to self inculcate. See, everything starts from self. Everything, whatever energy you are giving out, whether it's a positive energy, whether it's a negative energy, everything starts from self. So I said, here I am helping a lot of people. Let me help myself. I started doing these exercises religiously.
Hmm.
The exercises which I'm going to teach in my class, I started doing that religiously.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then I started seeing the shift. The shift has been so much. I can talk about myself. I started this honestly in this same money manifestation exercises. I started for myself in 2016.
Okay.
Okay, even though I knew the exercises from 15 years back,
Oh,
but I started it using it only in 2016. And today we are at to 2020, and I have recently purchased a 3 crore apartment.
wow. Wow. That is fantastic.
Yes, and not a single rupee from my husband, my friends, my brothers. It is completely my money.
How brilliant is that, Gitanjali? How brilliant.